Hello and welcome to another one of my videos. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix an old robot. This one dates back from 1970s and this thing hasn't ran for probably years. So let's go ahead and give it a squirt of WD-40 in the switch. That's what I normally do in order to get these things running. So let's go ahead. So I'm just going to gently squirt it, and then we just kind of work it through. Give it a moment here. It is ready to go. I put the WD-40 on the switch and I kind of turn the switch on and off a few times. So again, a lot of these robots will just kind of sit around for a while, for over the years, and you know, you don't always have to necessarily just take them apart. So you'd be surprised that, you know, a few sprays of WD-40 will actually get the robot working. So let's go ahead and turn the robot on. He's a smoking robot too. Alright. A lot of smoke. So again, thank you very much for watching my video, and hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. Thank you.